Let's see what we got. Take me out tonight and leave me all alone. Take me to another world, a place I've never gone. Out there in the darkness, my mind is running wild. A secret life inside of me, things I have to hide. And the cars keep passing by, and the lights are shining bright, and I wonder what I'd do with you tonight. Stand alone and watch the night. You'll never see me there. I walk the streets and stare inside the cross I have to bear. The stars and cars and mirror light glow, the only light I see. The midnight sound of loneliness, you never know it's me. When the cars keep passing by and the lights are shining bright, and I wonder what I'd do with you tonight. I wake up every morning, blinded by the lights. I pull shades and hide inside. I'm waiting for the night. If I could walk the darkest streets, I'd never have to hide. So don't